Hi fellas, it has been quite a while, so let's go and have a look how we start installation and or update of DaVinci Resolve on Nobara. I run Nobara now since half a year. I love it and it's a very good alternative for Windows. As you will see in a second, it's very easy to update DaVinci Resolve here, so I go download it and be back in 1 second. So after downloading it, I just go to the Nobara welcome app and then I hit the launch button, and as you can see, only thing I have to do is choose the zip file that I just downloaded. And then we will see that the icon on the desktop will vanish for a second and it will be right back, because all the clicking that you know from the installation process you had in Windows, it's just done for you internally from the operating system. So even if you run the studio version just like me and everything is taken care of, only when you do the installation for the first time you will notice that you have to enter a serial number one time and it will be taken care of. So this is how easy it is. I hope you have a great day ahead, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.